So while we are in the flesh, the real Lionel is not what you see here. It's just an image. The real Lionel is in his spirit. The real Lionel is the heart. The real Lionel is the soul. So when man sinned, sin invaded that part that was created by God. Sin invaded man on the inside. And I tell you, the more I travel, the more I deal with people, the more, even with Christians, you begin to realize the deep incisions that sin has made in our lives. That David had to say, we were born in sin and shaped in iniquity.